We've reached a point where the barrier to entry for making professional-sounding music has basically disappeared. You can go to Suno or Udio, type in a prompt, and a minute later you have something that sounds like a certified banger. But for those of us trying to build a presence on YouTube or social media, we run into a massive wall: the visuals. We've all seen it. Talented creators uploading incredible tracks with nothing more than a static image and a waveform. The truth is, static images just do not get clicks anymore. You need a music video. Making a real music video is already a nightmare. But if you've ever tried doing it with standard AI tools, you know it gets even worse. You end up bouncing between 5 different apps, dealing with character inconsistency, and burning money on subscriptions. Today, I want to show you a completely different approach. We're going to use Flova.ai and its new OmniHuman 1.5 MV workflow. If you watched my previous video, you already know that Flova is not just another video generator. It's an AI video agent. It brings together heavy hitters like Sora 2, Google's Veo 3.1, Nano Banana Pro, and Suno into one unified matrix. In this walkthrough, we're going to create a high-fidelity, rhythm-driven music video from scratch. We'll take an upbeat dance pop track and turn it into a full visual experience with a consistent virtual artist, realistic lip sync, and emotional performance. Let's jump in. When you land on the Flova dashboard, it's clean. And as usual, you've got a prompt box right in the center. See this card labeled Music to Video? This is the entry point designed specifically for music creators. You're not just adjusting a few sliders here, you're directing an entire team. When you click it, it preloads a detailed prompt automatically. Now I'm uploading an upbeat dance pop track that I previously generated on Suno, but you can upload any of your own tracks. Under Models, the template already has OmniHuman 1.5 loaded. I'm going to select Nano Banana 2 for images and hit Generate. The moment that file hits the agent, it begins its multimodal analysis. This is where the agent side of Flova really stands out. It doesn't just read your prompt, it actually listens to the music. It understands the mood as upbeat pop dance, estimates the BPM at around 120, identifies the key instruments, and extracts the lyrics with precise timestamps. It knows exactly where the bridge begins and where the chorus lands, which means the visuals can be mathematically synced to the beat. I'm going to confirm this creative brief, and now Flova is working on storyboard design and path planning. Okay, Flova has presented us with the creative path: creating the visual assets and frames, animating the narrative scenes, animating the lip-synced performances. Really excited! Let's tell Flova to proceed with it. As our key elements, Flova has established our lead singer as Mia, her best friend Chloe, and a nightclub atmosphere. We're working with a neon cinematic realism style, and here are our assets. We've got 2 characters, both incredibly realistic, generated using Nano Banana Pro. And we also have our nightclub environment. It looks vibrant and crowded, which is actually a challenging scenario for maintaining consistency. Let's give it the green light and see how Flova handles this. And here we have our first 6 frames. Wow, these look incredible. The characters are consistent across all frames. The faces and clothing stay locked while still showing different expressions and poses. That's exactly what we want. Let's tell Flova to continue. It's now moving into animating the first 6 frames. All right, here we are. Let's check out the result for the first verse. That is just mind-blowing. It's clear the AI has deeply analyzed the song and lyrics. Every moment feels aligned. The vibe, the color palette, the style. It's all on point. Even without full lip-sync performance yet, the subtle movements and mumbles feel natural and believable. So far, so good. I'm going to tell Flova to continue into the first chorus. It starts by generating the next set of frames using Nano Banana. And here they are. Another great batch. This time, we mostly have our lead singer performing inside the nightclub. Now, in the third asset, I'm noticing a slight inconsistency in the face and color tones. So I'm going to regenerate that frame and see if we get a better result. The regenerated version keeps the lighting consistent, and the face alignment is improved, though the eyes are still slightly off. I'm going to let that slide and continue. Now, up to this point, we didn't have full lip-sync performance clips. But this chorus is where the real magic happens. OmniHuman 1.5. This is the hero feature of the Flova update. This is where we shift from simple animation to a full musical performance. Most AI lip-sync tools feel stiff. The mouth moves, but the body stays frozen. OmniHuman is rhythm-driven. It doesn't just match mouth shapes. It analyzes the frequency and energy of the track to drive performance. Let's look at the result for our lead singer. Watch the body language. Mia isn't just lip-syncing, she's moving with the rhythm. Her head tilts with the melody, and her micro-expressions actually reflect the emotional tone of the song. Now, it's not perfect. In close-ups, the lip-sync is very solid, but in medium shots, you can still see some inconsistencies. But overall, the emotional alignment and movement quality are what separate this from a generic animation. This is starting to feel like a real AI performer. What makes this a fully controllable workflow is that I stay in the director's chair the entire time. For example, I want more drama in the second half of the chorus. So I'll tell the agent, add a cinematic slow zoom on Mia and increase the lighting intensity on the final beat drop. The agent understands that context instantly. It doesn't need a massive prompt rewrite, it just adjusts the cinematography. This is where the agent concept really shines. You focus on creative direction and it handles execution. Here's the updated clip. Perfect. We now have a slow zoom with stronger lighting exactly where we wanted it. As the clips continue generating, they are automatically synced into the timeline. We're now halfway through the full track. Let's review what we've built so far.
So high, nothing can dull this shine. I'm gonna go up tonight. Feel every second ignite. Turn my maybe to I, just my, oh my. I'm gonna go up tonight.
That's great. The agent aligns cuts to beat markers and keeps lip sync locked to the audio. If I didn't like a section, I could use the branching feature to explore alternative directions without losing progress. This is non-destructive editing, and that's a massive advantage for professional workflows. But here's the real validator. If I go to export, I'm not just downloading an MP4. I can select the PR file option. This exports a full Premiere Pro project. When I open it in Adobe Premiere, everything is intact. Cuts, layers, timing, everything. I can add lyric overlays, transitions, and professional color grading right inside my existing pipeline. You're not locked inside an AI tool. It integrates directly into a pro workflow. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the financial side of this. If you tried to build this workflow manually, you'd easily be spending hundreds of dollars per month. You'd need a high-end LLM like Gemini, image tools like Midjourney, video tools like Kling or Sora 2, and separate lip-sync tools on top of that. But Flova consolidates everything. You get access to over 20 elite models, including Nano Banana Pro, Kling 3, and OmniHuman 1.5, in a single platform for just $19 a month. This is essentially a professional AI studio at a fraction of the cost. Flova is currently in beta, and development is moving fast. If you want to try this OmniHuman workflow on your next track, I've got an exclusive link in the description. Sign up using that link, and you'll get 200 free credits instantly, plus another 200 credits every week you log in. And if you upgrade, new subscribers get a 100% bonus on credits in their first month. That's double the creation power. Stop being a prompt engineer and start being a director. Grab your credits below, upload your latest track, and let the OmniHuman agent bring your music to life. By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with Tech Snap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into the AI agents shaping this industry. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.